You can go through the woods. What? I have to like stay between you guys. Okay, now go pick up with Karsten.
Yeah, we'll push you over here. Why are you not helping me?
Cause I had to help her to catch up with you. Oh, your hands are really cold.
I'm sorry.
Natalie, so you fell.
Oh my gosh, Rebecca. Once we get back here, it'll be better.
She's going to the woods. Karsten, snowboarding.
No help.
I have to.
You can get it out.
Oh, no, you don't need any help. Here.
I'm just going through the woods because it's easier, so you're going to have to push me.
Yeah, you are.
Help me, please.
I'm coming.
I'm still taking off my binding.
Take off your other lead foot. Take off your right foot.
I don't want to take it off, though. Oh, fine. Are you taking yours off, Natalie? No. I have to because nobody's helping me.
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Rebecca!
Take off your binding, Natalie.
Yeah, I don't know how to. Oh my gosh. Just help me, wait.
You don't know how to my grandma.
I thought I did, but they were Natalie, you don't know how bad my back is.
Natalie, just leave. You're putting it back in?